What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike. I'm a full-time media seller, primarily on Amazon, a little bit of eBay. Today is another one of our what sold on Amazon videos. And on my way to the unit on this cold, blustery day, I started thinking to myself, the Amazon content out there is just, I don't know, it's kind of lame, right? Like most people, they don't show the actual stuff they sell, right? It's just, oh, I sold 25 figures on Amazon this year, right? There's really no product like behind it, right? They're not telling you what they're selling because they don't want you going to buy that stuff and tank their listings. Because I was thinking about it, right? You know, like I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm selling. And you really don't really get that in other Amazon reselling channels, right? People aren't showing you the things they're selling. So as cheesy as this is, like for me to make a Amazon what sold video, like really nobody else doing it. I mean, it is what it is. So as always, we got 5 Amazon sales we're gonna run through here. Let me get it pulled up. If you're interested in being around other Amazon sellers that actually show what they're selling, wait, not even show what they're selling. I'm taking this. We're going to the next step. They actually tell you how much they made on the stuff they sold. Whoa, sound the alarm. That doesn't exist out there. Join the YouTube channel, $2.99 a month, cheaper than a Happy Meal, coaching calls, private Discord, all of that stuff. So, 5 sales today, full breakdown of everything. The first sale we have, and I've told you all kind of about this stuff before, right? I kind of practice what I preach, unfortunately. Essential Oils Integrative Medical Guide. We sold it for $63.39. Profit was $45.17. I paid $3 from the Goodwill. That's like 50,000% ROI. This is what I do, right? Essential oils, you all know, right? Everybody watching this is like, oh yeah, Mike, essential oils. I know, you don't gotta yell at me that look up the essential oil stuff, the aromatherapy. I'm telling you, there's money in this stuff. Moving right along. DVD, The Fighting Prince of Donegal. No idea. I don't even know if it's pronounced Donegal and maybe Dongjao. You all can yell at me in the comments. Listen, you all know. Philly, inner city kid. I sucked at reading comprehension. I sucked at writing. That's Deb. Deb's that part of the relationship. Me, I'm the math guy, right? So we sold this for $48.35. Profit was $35.87. DVDs I'm usually into for on average right about $2.25. So, I mean, 30 bucks profit all day long on a DVD. I'll try getting you all into the DVDs, right? I'm the used book guy. Well, Mike, why are you called the used book guy if you're selling DVDs? If I was only selling books, I'd be bankrupt. You got to diversify your business. Media is all found in the same place, right? It's not like I go to the books and then go to the other side to look at the microwaves. Media is usually all together. There's no problem with branching out as long as you kind of stay within the realm of what you're doing. So that was a nice DVD flip. Moving right along, more DVDs. This is all you out there, right? The Little Rascals, the complete collection. You all can fight over what rascal you want to be, right? Alfalfa. If I could grow hair, I would be Alfalfa. But you know how long it would take me to grow Alfalfa hair? It just wouldn't happen. I'd be growing it for the next 60 years of my life before I can actually cosplay Alfalfa. We sold it for $44.92. $33 profit. I paid up for this. I paid $4.99. Oh, I paid up. I paid $5. If I'm laying $5 on the table, you better believe I'm getting my money back. So this was a good little flip here. And it didn't have the slipcase. So this is another, you know, food for thought. Some of these DVDs come with the little slip cases. I don't have any here at the unit. Actually, I might. Okay. I do, kind of, sort of, right? So we have Buffy here. The Rascals didn't have this case, and it was like a big one that kind of folded open. I just put a piece of masking tape and send it in. You all get caught up with, oh my God, it's got to look perfectly brand new. just send it in, sell the stuff, move on. I got 100% positive feedback. So all you trolls out there, that's not, the customer's gonna hate it. Speak to my feedback, that's all I'm saying. Moving right along. Oh, a video game. Oh, video games are like, how do I get ungated right now? I'm like, you're selling video games? How? Sony PlayStation 4 video games? How? Game of Thrones? We sold Game of Thrones. A Telltale game series. We sold it for $43.97. Profit was $32.15. Video games are $4.99 at my Goodwill, so I paid $5, made over $25. This took about a month to sell. I don't have the buy box and use video games. I'm working towards that. I just don't find enough to send in and sell to them justify giving me the buy box. But what did I do to get ungated in Game of Thrones on the Sony PlayStation 4? I did nothing. Amazon ungates things as you continue to sell more and more on their platform, right? So maybe you're somebody that just started. How do you get ungated in video games? Go to iNet Video. That's how I got ungated in Nintendo and Pokemon. You can order something off them and just make sure it's a new item. It actually has, you know, the brand you're looking for, Sony, Nintendo. It's that easy. It'll probably cost you, I mean, video games are going to cost you more than CDs and DVDs, right? You want to get ungated in video games, you're probably looking at $80, you know, depending on what you can find on sale. So that's your little, everybody run and get ungated for stuff you're never going to sell tip of the day. The last one we have, I laughed when I seen this screenshot. The last one we got is Easy Money DVD. You can't stage this stuff. Rodney Dangerfield, Easy Money for me. I sold it for $35.87. Profit was $22.73. I believe I was into this for $2.99. I ain't gonna say it because it's gonna sound stupid, but I'm gonna say it. It's easy money out here, right? Rodney just said, hey, Mike, here's $20 in your pocket. All you got to do is actually go out there and scan the stuff. Stop being lazy. I mean, resellers are lazy people. I don't know. And Amazon sellers are shady people, right? At least the eBay like personalities out there in YouTube are like, here's what I sold, right? They actually have the stuff. And Amazon sellers like, I sold $10,000. Well, what you sell, Mike? I can't tell you what I sold because you can't be trusted as a viewer. You're going to go find that deal and ruin my business. I don't know. I was thinking about it, you know, like they don't show what they sell. They never show what they sell. The ones that do have success, right? Here goes something I sold, you know, those are the ones that you kind of gravitate towards because anybody can sit here and say they sold stuff and don't mean nothing at the end of the day. Who cares what you sell, how much you make, how much you pay for it, you know, none of that stuff. So that's gonna do it for the video. I appreciate you watching my full, maybe I should reword this series to like the Amazon full transparency, what sold video, the actual numbers in big bold letters. Oh my God, I'm actually telling people what I made. The sky is falling. I'll see you in the next used book video. Bye-bye.